Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Mi 9 Lite, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on this device. Alright, so firstly we have to open Google Photos app. As you can see, we can update, so I'm gonna update it. Now we can open our Google Photos app. So here we have to choose photo that we want to edit, for example this one. So we have to click on this edit icon right here. Here, as you can see, we have some suggestions like change, warm or cool. We can crop the photo and rotate it. Here we have a tool like blur. We can adjust brightness, contrast, HDR effect, white point, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen the noise and vignette. We can put on some filters. We can mark up the photo with pen, highlighter, or just write something with the text option. And now we can save it in our gallery or just on this Google Photos app. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!